Oh my God! I could have been in Thailand by now. Aloha.
Time.
Nini? English में बोल तू YouTube पे आएगा.
Hey there, this is Tab, and I just told him to speak in English because he's going to be on YouTube. Our first stop after renting a car was to Walmart for some cheap potato chips, souvenirs, and beverages to store up in the hotel room. By far the most beautiful trip to Walmart ever. Found this gorgeous saltwater pool recommended by locals. It was 15 minutes from town. I'd say bring snacks, possibly water shoes, and just don't slip. Oh yeah, it's free to get in. Every year for the last 7 years, my cousins and I have been taking off on a mandatory boys trip. But I won't bore you with a family tree and how we're all related in a short 5-minute video. I'll just say that we weren't on the island for long and we saw as many magnificent waterfalls as we possibly could. If you though are on the Big Island for much longer, please spend your sweet time on each of them. They each have a story to tell. So we stayed at the Sheraton Kona resort. In all honesty, it was just alright. The location was great, sights and sounds were compliment worthy, but unfortunately the building and the rooms were a bit outdated. And the overall service provided was inconsistently good. Some hotel employees were simply outstanding, while some should just go work for the DMV.
Holy shit.
The entire trip, we were looking forward to cliff diving. But upon arriving to the Big Island, not one but over 15 local island folks told us not to jump due to high winds and rough waters. So we came, we saw, and totally did not conquer. My personal policy in my travels is to try and not visit the same place again because there's so much more to explore in this magical world of ours. The Big Island, though, may be an exception.